YouTube, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my world. Today I got a special package in the mail. Okay, so it's Funko Pop's 25th anniversary, so they had a line of Funko Pops come out and I got cut myself. And I don't have any Freddy Funkos, and I really kind of wanted one because I know when they're gone, they're gone. And when you see them, they're expensive. Of course, it's a box in a box. Love that for me. Ouch. So I told my dad, I was like, okay, they got these Freddy Funkos. I want one. And he was like, okay. So he bought me one. And, excuse me, the one that we got is a mystery Funko Pop. I would like to make a formal apology to Funko and to everybody that's watching and has watched this video. I don't know how to read directions. I don't know what instructions are, and they quite literally tell you on the website that you're gonna get random Funko Pops with the 25th anniversary one. And obviously I don't know how to read directions. I don't know what directions are, so that's why I'm upset and confused throughout this video. I apologize. Continue watching the video. There's, I want to say, 5 different Funkos that they could use, so I have no idea what it is. So that's exciting. And girl, in my head, okay, I barely opened the box. In my head, we spent $50 on one Funko, not 5. Oh my god. And okay, so what I was saying before, I told him, I said, if we get this Funko Pop, it's a Freddy Funko. Freddy Funkos are like expensive. Once they're gone, they're gone. And when you do see them again, they're either over $100 or they're in the thousands range. So I was like, we're gonna make some money. So that's why he was like, okay, then I'll buy it when we're rich. We're really gonna be rich. Okay, let me finish opening it, and then I'm gonna tell him to come in here. Wait. Not them sending us random Funko Pops. Because from the top, this is literally a Christmas Eeyore, and this is an Elsa. What is this? Funko. This is not what we ordered, baby. What? My Hero Academia. Kinoko, Komori. This is not what we ordered. Spider-Man. I kind of want to keep this. I don't know if they'll let me, but I want to. This Christmas Eeyore. This is the anniversary Freddy Funko that we got, but why are there random Funko Pops in here? And then Venus Williams. Did he like accidentally order these too, or? I'm so confused right now. And then this is the Elsa, and this is a Funko Pop exclusive. This is so confusing. Like, what? Cause this is literally, this is what we're expecting, but what's up with these random Funko Pops that we would not have in our house? Literally, I collect Marvel, I have one Star Wars, I have Stranger Things, and I have The Boys. That's literally it. And my dad has all Superman and like DC characters. So these like random Disney ones, and like, I don't have any anime. I used to watch My Hero Academia, but I stopped because I just didn't feel like watching the rest. But yeah, that's this Venus Williams. I mean, my mom was looking at it recently at Target, but I'm confused. I'm gonna ask my dad what's going on. So now we're at my computer. This is what I ordered. The Freddy Funko 25th Anniversary Mystery Box for $50. It says, if there's one thing you should know about Freddy is that he's a fan of everything, especially parties. Join Freddy Funko in celebrating 25 years of fun with the Freddy Funko Anniversary Mystery Box. This bundle features 6 Funko Pop figures, including... I thought that this was going to be different versions of this, the Anniversary Funko Pop. At first I thought it was just going to be this, or like a one random one, not 6. That makes sense. I'm sorry if I confused anyone, because I was confused myself. So we didn't get scammed, or they didn't mess up our order. We were supposed to get those. You get it? Okay, let's go back. And we're back. Okay, so let's go down the line of Funko Pops that we got. Yay! Starting off with the Anniversary Freddy Funko Pop. This is a Funko Pop exclusive for the 25th anniversary. So, yeah, that's cute. We got this Venus Williams Funko Pop. It's an exclusive Pops with Purpose. I will be giving this to my mother. Yeah. I'm keeping the Spider-Man for myself because obviously. And it's a Funko Pop 2022 Winter Collection, a limited edition. I've never seen this one before. He's kind of freaky looking, but I'm gonna keep it because it's Spider-Man, and why wouldn't I keep it? These other ones I will be selling on my Depop. So if you're interested, hit me up. Okay, so we have this Eeyore. He has a little sad Christmas list. He says, "Dear Santa, I've been good, better than most, not as bad as some." Eeyore, but he like crossed out good, better than most, so it just says, "I've been not as bad as some." Eeyore. Okay. And then this Kinoko Komori. Don't know who that character is, but I will be selling it. Yeah. And then this Elsa one, it's a Funko Pop exclusive. It comes with a Funko pin. Cutie. So if you're interested in these, they will be on my Depop for purchase. Okay, so I can't think of anything else. But yeah, I'm sorry for the confusion in the beginning of this video. I genuinely didn't know what I was getting when we purchased this. So yeah, if you're interested, link in bio for the Depop. Okay, bye.